had 2.5 weeks away from me, so I'm sure you've forgotten everything. But GCF stands for greatest common factor. So that's when you have two or more numbers that have something in common, right? They either have a number in common, a letter in common, something that you can divide out of both of them. So just in case we've forgotten, the GCF is the largest number that what into two or more numbers? Divides. Take a point. Remember, factoring is division. Factoring is division. Factoring is division. So the GCF is the largest number that divides into two or more numbers, and the what of the exponent of common variables? Is it the largest or smallest exponent?
Smallest.
Well, let's look back. Because we have these notes right here, right? Or we wrote this down. Let's open our notes. It says 1, find the GCF, that's the largest number, and then what exponent?
The lowest.
The lowest. Please stop. So it's the lowest exponent of common variables. So what does that mean when I say common variables?
They have the same thing, like something common. Like
There's like
common
same
number,
number.
same variable, like same letter, number. Screw it, I don't want to do this one. They're alike.
The same letter?
Yeah, I said the same
I
letter.
know, but you were just rambling, and I was hoping that you would settle on one thing, and you didn't. And it was chaos. Alright, so factoring means you what? What mathematical operation do we do when we factor? You divide. Factoring means you divide. Divide each number by the GCF, and what do you do with the exponents?
Add them.
No.
Multiply.
You subtract them. And I misspelled variables. I got excited when I was typing. It should be variables, not variables.
Variables.
Super sorry. Ugh, it's going to drive me insane.
You got common variables.
Common variables.
There are events.
Alright. Are we ready to practice? Now, we're dividing. Please keep that in mind. So let's look at number 1. What is the biggest number that goes into both 21b and 3a?
7.
7 does not divide into 3. 3. You were so confident though, kids. You were just so confident on that 7. Yes. But 7 doesn't divide into 3. I'm so proud of you, but... Now, do they have a letter in common in this one?
No.
Okay, so we just take out the 3. Okay. Now, what's 21b divided by 3? 7b. Good. And what's 3a divided by 3?
It's A.
Boom, we're done.
That's it, big dog.
That's it, big dog. That's what we did. Heaven help us.
I think I got this one, Miss Alka. I think I got the next one.
Okay.
2. Greatest common number is 2.
2 what? Do they have a letter in common?
Yes.
Okay. So what's smaller, 2 or 1?
1.
So are we going to take out 2 C's or 1 C? 1 C. So it's going to be 2 C. And then we put our parentheses. If we start with 2 terms, how many terms do we end with? 2 terms. So put a plus in between there. All right, what's 14? Okay. And if we have 2 C's and we take out 1, how many are left?
1.
Awesome. And then 2C divided by 2C is 1. Please do number 3 without me. You can do it.
I cannot.
I have all kinds of faith in you. I shouldn't be a teacher if I've lost faith in y'all. Hope is a different thing.
That's like all the other ones.
We can do this, Tater. We can do this.
But, said shoot.
And then we go.
I didn't say the other thing. Man,
Because this stuff works well, then you got like the remaining
I
number. You can like go to another. You can go to.
It has to divide into both.
Yeah, that's so you can go again. On this. Okay.
Right?
What is the biggest number that goes into both 16 and 40? No, the biggest.
The largest number.
Oh.
3 doesn't go into either of those. Bigger. Oh, 8 isn't.
Did you find the DCF for 16 and 40?
Are we ready? Okay. Does anybody need some help or you got it?
Got it.
I need some pointers.
You need some pointers?
Yeah,
What is the biggest number that goes into both 16 and 40?
8.
8. Okay, what is 16t divided by 8?
2.
What's 40y divided by 8? 5.
Wow.
Okay, yes sir.
Does it matter which order you do?
Yes sir. Yes sir.
I put 8 and then 5 y.
That you changed the whole problem.
I did.
I got a question.
Look at the problem, Pumpkin. It says 16t minus 40y, correct?
Yeah.
So you can't just change it just because you want to. Yes, Bronson.
Is it wrong we don't put the factor in parentheses?
Yes. That is the point of this. You can't just write down what's in the parentheses. You have to write the 8 on the outside. We didn't just magically turn this into something else. All right? Try number 4 without me.
Done.
Okay.
I did it. What? I moved on.
I never know.
Oh, that stuff Houston was on.